Running Facebook ads in 2025, it's easier than you think. Let me show you 5 quick steps through which you can run this ad easily. Let's have a look. Step 1. Heads over to Meta Ads Manager. This is your control room. Step number 2. Choose your goal. Want sales, lead, website visits? Pick one. Step number 3. Choose who sees your ad. Location, age, interest. Find your audience. Step number 4. Make scroll stopping visuals or videos. Remember, first 3 seconds is equal to key. Set your daily budget, preview and go live. Start small, test and then scale is the step number 5. Subscribe if you find this video useful to you. Want more step-by-step guide like this? Hit follow and let's grow your business together. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.